I'm Alice. Today I'm going to introduce our local restaurants. There is Outback Steakhouse, Aguro, and 청담집. The first restaurant is Outback Steakhouse. Outback is family restaurant. There has a lot of menu like pasta and steak. Gold coconut shrimp is very delicious. All employees are very nice. Outback is in the Hongdae-dong. The second restaurant is Aguro. Aguro is Chinese restaurant. One of the famous menu is jjajangmyeon, and sweet and sour pork is also famous and delicious. Also, chili shrimp is delicious too. That is my favorite food in Aguro. Aguro is in the Burimdong. The last restaurant is 청담집. 청담집 is a family restaurant. They sell pork belly. It is very delicious. Also, I would recommend it. Dombim bibimbap. Aguro is in the Burimdong too. In conclusion, I recommended 3 local restaurants: Outback Steakhouse, Aguro, and 청담집. Thank you for listening my presentation.